Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to be unboxing and pairing up the Apple AirPods 2. These have the wireless charging case. Now, I've already deleted my old AirPods from my iPhone. So let's unbox these and see how easy it is to pair them up. Okay, let's look around. Get that focus in. AirPods with wireless charging case, and then in different languages. Okay. So let's get this unboxed. I'm going to try to do it pretty fast getting the unboxing because I don't really do a good job unboxing. I tend to be pretty slow, but I'll go as fast as I can. So just to let you know, my other AirPods, my original version, I already took off this phone. So this will be just a brand new install. No other AirPods on here. Let's get this plastic out of here. Let's get this box open. Okay, books and pamphlets and stuff. And here are the AirPods. This side. And it looks pretty much like the originals, except you can see the little LED right there for the wireless charging. So let's see how easy it is to pair these things up. So there's my iPhone. Okay, let me straighten that out a little bit. All right, perfect. So let's open these up. Done. That's really awesome. Look how fast that was. No problem at all. So as most people know, most of you know, the only difference between these and the original are obviously the wireless charging. You still can't get them in different colors. I think that's, unfortunate. I would like, black or something else. I'm looking forward to using the Hey Siri, without having to, tap the, okay, the Hey Siri. Didn't want to get the phone activated. That's a feature I'm looking forward to using instead of having to tap the AirPod. It's just to be able to say, hey assistant, help me out. So, because I use that a lot for, changing tracks or, asking questions. I'm looking forward to that. So now let's see if this thing really wirelessly charges. So let me grab my Samsung charger, wireless charger. I know it's beat up, but I got to clean this thing. Got to figure out what's a good way to do it. This material is not easy to clean. So let's put it on, see if it charges. And there, let me turn off this light. Hang on. Yep, you can see it's wirelessly charging. Let's do that again. Take it off the wireless charging. Put it down. You can see the wireless charging starts. Look at the dot. Okay, pretty cool. Looking forward to using that. Also looking forward to getting the Apple AirPower mat if that ever comes out. So now let's try it. Let's see what happens. This is the charging stand for the Apple Watch. Let's see if it charges on that. I don't think it will. Nope, won't do it on that. Didn't think it would, but I figured I'd try it. But yeah, it wirelessly charges. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, so that's it. You saw how easy it was to pair these up with your iPhone. No problem at all. They wirelessly charge. That's a pretty cool feature. Sound quality. If you have any questions about that, I'm not really going to get too much into that now and try to have you hear things because, you're hearing it through as I'm recording it and through whatever speaker you're listening to it. So sometimes that always doesn't do it, much justice and isn't really a good, test of how well these are going to sound. But let's take a look inside. Look pretty much the same like the other ones. Let's take one out. To focus in, sorry about that. Let's see. Yeah, they look identical. Nothing that different. Let's take out the other one. Yep, but like I said, looking forward to using these. The addition of having the assistant available without having to tap is going to be something I'm going to use a lot. And plus the wireless charging, I really like that feature. But that was it. You saw how easy it was to pair up the AirPods, version 2, I guess we'll call them, with your iPhone. Super easy. And I will be doing a video showing how to do it with your Android phone too. Okay? All right. That's it. Any questions, anything, comments, hit me down in the comment section below. Email me, Twitter, however you want to do it. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching.